Hello, it's Jim from Tech Buzz. We're back with new product, and this time we are back with Neos's new add-ons to their smart cam. Now, we've done this smart cam before, so you can check out the review on that. We'll leave a link below. But they've now added these new leak kits and motion kits here, which is pretty cool. And of course, it works with Google Play and App Store, so you just download your app and so on. We've done a quite comprehensive review on this already, and it's one of the cheapest smart cams that are out there at the moment. So let's get into it and show you first what we're dealing with. If you've not seen the smart cam, it's a pretty simple small square camera, and that's it there. And it's not too obstructive or anything like that, and it will move on a little angled setup like that there, and you can just place it then and turn it to whichever way you suit yourself. Small and cute. So that's the camera. As I said, we've done this before, we've reviewed that, you can check that out. We'll drop a link below. So on to their new products, which we'll start with the motion kit. So you get your books and stuff, and you have again, these are really small and cute. Your standard PIRs you find around buildings and so on. And it tells us in this that you get one smart bridge and 2 smart contacts. So I can actually get this out here. It's packed pretty well. So that's it in there. And in here you get our cables. And you get 2 contacts here. So that's what they look like there, small and cute. And here is a USB as well, so this will plug into wherever you want to pop it. And in the next box we will get our sensor, smart leak sensor kit. So this senses water leak, humidity and temperature. And again, you've got a smart bridge here as well. So that's that there. And your 3 sensors there, and of course your little booklet. So that's basically it. So we'll open up one of these now and see what it looks like. So you can just pop these anywhere. There's no need to fix them to anything. And that's what they look like there. So all small and cute to smarten up your home, which is really cool. And just want to open up this one here. So these will go on entry points or whatever the case is, and it's up to yourself, and it works like any magnet. And you can see there's an LED right there that's coming on to let us know that it's actually working. And on the back you have sticky pads there, so again, no actual drilling or anything like that. So this is just a contact center, and there is a bit of magnetism there, but that's basically it. So that's just the first look and unboxing of these new products. Stay tuned after the break for a review and what they do, and we'll see you later on.